Oke, halo semuanya. Apa kabar? Perkenalkan, nama gue Gesang Dipo Abora. Di sini gue bakalan mainin game Bully Anniversary Edition. Dan selamat datang di channel gue. Semoga kalian menikmati gameplaynya. Oke, sini gue bakalan restart dulu. Sebenarnya gue udah main game ini, teman-teman. Gue udah nyoba beberapa misi sama kita skip dulu, sama beberapa mekanik, dan gue udah setting. Jadi ya, inilah perjalanan Jimmy Hopkins di Serama Bulwark Academy.
I can't believe this. You must be the Hopkins boy. Where'd you come from? We've been expecting you. Welcome to Bulworth Academy. I'm sure you'll be very happy here. Very happy indeed. Anyway, I can't spend my life waiting around for naughty little boys. I've got a man to make happy. The headmaster is expecting you, Hopkins, in his study. Okay. His study is over there, boy, in the main building. Don't keep Dr. Crabblesnitch waiting. He's a brilliant man. Brilliant.
Oke, ya. Tadi intronya seperti menarik buat pukulin dulu mereka. Asik nih. Kenapa gue doang yang dikejar-kejar ya? Jadi ya itu game lama ya, buat kalian yang tahu. Dia pasti tahu sih sebenarnya. Ini gue coba untuk bernostalgia teman di game ini.
Ah, yes. So you must be Hopkins. What? What?
I meant yes, sir.
Very good. Now let me see. You've done a lot of naughty things, haven't you? Vandalism, graffiti, bad language, violent conduct, disrespecting staff. Oh, I'm scared of you, Hopkins.
Come on, give me a break.
Yes, I've never met a boy like you. Never in all my life. Hopkins, you're quite the nastiest little boy I've ever encountered. Tell me, why should I waste my time on you?
I don't know.
Because it's my calling. It's what I do. You excel at causing trouble, and I excel at fixing little boys like you, at making you into respectable members of our community here at the Academy. I've got a good feeling about you, boy, a feeling you and I are going to be great friends. You keep that nose clean, boy, or I shall clean it myself. Miss Danvers, are you back yet?
Yes, Headmaster, and I got your tea.
You are good to me, Miss Danvers.
No more than you deserve, Headmaster.
Take our new friend Hopkins here and show him around the school and get him properly attired.
Certainly, Headmaster. Come along, boy. I haven't got all day.
Nada
And
suaranya
boy,
tiba-tiba berubah.
remember, you will have a clean nose, so keep it clean, or we'll clean it for you.
Dialognya
So
bagus
here
banget.
I am at probably the worst school in the country, whose alumni are nothing but arms dealers, serial killers, and corporate lawyers. Real scum. And that old creep thinks he can tame me? We shall see, my friend. I only give people what they have coming to them. Where's your uniform,
Oke.
young Hopkins?
Kita
Run
bakal
along now, child.
aksi-aksi Jimmy di chapter 1, teman-teman.
Really love
Oke, di sini kita disuruh ganti baju ke sana, anjing kadang. Kita tidak peduliin aja, teman-teman. Kita fokus misi. Oke. Ini isinya, seinget gue ada shortcut. Oh. Oke. Jadi buat teman-teman yang belum tahu, di situ tuh ada shortcut. Harusnya. Cuman mungkin karena ini masih masih tutorial gitu, dan kita diharusin banget ketemu nih geng-geng bully. Hasil Socrates ketutup dan gue baru tahu aja. Oke. Ini game tuh apa ya? Menurut gue better dari GTA San Andreas sih. Dan emang setahu gue emang rilisnya nanti setelah GTA San Andreas gitu, setelah beberapa game GTA lah. Dan yang menariknya kenapa gue mainin game bully daripada game GTA itu karena menurut gue storytelling bully itu lebih bagus. Banyak hal yang lebih bagus lah dari gameplay juga. Banyak game, banyak hal-hal yang bisa lu lakuin gitu dengan map yang lebih kecil, jauh lebih kecil bahkan dari GTA San Andreas.
Hey, you're the new kid. Yeah? What's it to you? Friendly, aren't you? Give me a break, loser. Hey, relax, friend. You're all pent up. Go easy or they put you on medication. They did to me. Boy, nearly sent me insane. That's fascinating. Now if you'll excuse me. I said relax, friend. Get off, man. Listen to me, tough guy. You just arrived at the toughest school in the country, and I'm offering to be your friend. Trust me, in a place like this, you're gonna need friends. So it's up to you. You gonna play nice or what? Yeah, sure. Good. So how about I show you around? My parents are so
Oh iya, tadi
we don't have a bar in the door. Just a soda machine.
di opening kan si Jimmy itu, gue tadi nge-skip opening dan
You should probably
Tahu
change
gua.
into your uniform if you don't want
si
to get in trouble.
Jimmy itu dia anak apa ya, bukan anak ini sih, maksudnya dia itu lahir di keluarga yang udah broken gitu sih, dimana si emaknya tuh nikah sama laki-laki lain gitu. Terus karena mungkin gak mau ngurus si Jimmy, alhasil dibawain ke asrama, dan si Jimmy juga emang udah nakal dari lama gitu.
Kowalski, Jimmy Hopkins, and don't ask how I'm doing. I've been here 5 minutes and already people want me dead. Even my parents didn't hate me this quickly. Well, welcome to Bullworth. It's a dump. Great. I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent. Yeah, I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent because I'm really bad. Give up the tough guy act, pal. Hey, man, what's your problem? Well, ADD primarily, but also life, my parents, this school, Western civilization. But really, honestly, enough about me. Oh, I see you've met the dorm's mascot. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Femboy, the girliest boy in school. Petey, haven't you got some imaginary friends to go annoy? Why don't you leave me alone, Gary? Look at you. Leave me alone, Gary. I'm really self-important now that I finally hit puberty. What's your problem? I'm just being nice to the new kid as he passes through Bullworth on his inevitable journey to prison. Look, I gotta unpack. Would you guys mind getting out of here? Oh, now look what you've done, Pete. Jimmy can't stand you already.
Oke, di sini tempat save. Oke. Sini aja kali ya. Oke, dapat auto save juga sebenarnya. Ya karena tadi gue udah main ya. Cuman gue tadi nggak apa ya. Gue cuma nyobain gameplaynya teman-teman. Gue nyekip semua cutscene. Oke, di sini kita suruh masuk. Dan di sini kita bakalan dikenalin sama sekolah Bullworth sama si Gary tuh. Dan ada adegan menjijikan di sini ya. Cuman gue gak mau ngasih tahu sekarang ya. Ntar lu lihat sendiri ya.
That's Russell's locker. You know, the big ape who almost put you in the hospital.
Enough talk! Now I smashed you!
Please don't hurt me.
You! Cash! Now!
Apalagi nih sama apa namanya?
Don't bother with me.
Stupid!
Big F kalau kata gue.
Now before Russell. There's just enough not to smash you.
Oke.
Come
Goodbye
on,
Big
let's
F.
break into it and steal something. That'll teach him.
Di sini kita suruh bukain apa namanya lokernya si Russell ya. Dan dia lokernya beda sendiri anjing.
Don't let the prefects see you break any rules. They'll hurt you.
Cukup gampang sih sebenarnya buka lokernya. Udah yang beribet kayak suruh cari sandi gitu, terus lu samain sandinya itu menurutku sebenarnya lebih menarik ya, tapi karena ini game lama itu mungkin jadi bikin simple aja sih. Oke,
You
let's
do
see.
know you're not supposed to be doing that.
Anjing,
Been asking for it. Now you
merah tuh anjing.
Your days are numbered like a yardstick of death. Your days are numbered.
Gak ada yang datang anjing, gurunya cok.
Jimmy, this way.
Ya, cepet buru. Ini guys, gue gak tau kenapa si Jimmy nyuruh kita buat kesini anjing.
Oh man, there's that weird chick Eunice. Let's have some fun with her. Go, see what you want. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
All good?
He took my chocolate.
Ya,
Please
oh
get
nih
it back.
Moron!
Baby,
Oh
don't
nice,
push me.
you nice. Kita sebut dia Yunus aja ya. Di sini ceritanya si Yunus tuh diambil cokannya sama orang gak tahu diri nih anjing. Ya anjing makan dulu cok. Langsung bulu aja lah.
Whoa! Take your stupid chocolate. Does that make you feel big and strong?
Watch it.
Dan di sini kita ke bagian adegan yang
You should be ashamed.
paling tidak menyenangkan di game bully.
Thanks. Wanna make out?
Langsung nyosor anjing nih
Sheesh.
bocah cewek.
I'll remember this forever.
Ya lu dong tuh yang inget anjing, gue gak bakal inget.
Let's go to the
Adegan
cabin.
ini.
I'll show you
Cok salah.
your.
Jangan lewat situ goblok. Ngapain dia lewat situ anjing.
Hey, Mike Snack Break. I haven't called on anyone yet. Must be better.
Oke, masuk cafeteria ya.
Feeding time at the zoo. Okay, here's the deal. Over there, we got the nerds. Of course, they're complete social outcasts. They look pretty harmless. They're actually sneaky bastards. Their turf is the library. And those are the preps. They're all money and condescending attitudes.
Yeah, massively inbred and completely brainless.
Very observant, Jimmy boy. Now over
Observasi
there are the
Jimmy
greasers.
Hopkins.
They think they're tough.
Or at least try to look tough.
Wouldn't advise messing with them. At least not yet. They hang by the auto shop. And last but not least, the jocks. These guys rule the school. Definitely avoid them.
Whatever, I'm not afraid of some dumb roid monkeys.
You'll learn. Come on, let's go.
Oke, masuk kelas.
You're here to learn, not to goof off. Get to class.
Ya,
Crest.
oke gue jelasin dikit soal yang tadi. Jadi cutscene yang tadi tuh ngejelasin kalau di Bulwark tuh ada berapa ya tadi? Ada beberapa geng lah. Yang pertama tuh ada nerd, mereka yang culun-culun. Walaupun mereka culun, keunikan mereka tuh ada di persenjataannya teman-teman. Jadi mereka punya beberapa senjata yang kedepannya mungkin kita bakal dapetin juga. Terus ada orang-orang kaya. Mereka tuh ya kaya lah gitu singkatnya.
What are you
Terus
doing in here?
apa namanya?
Oh, right.
Sebelum itu kita sekarang nyoba
Take
kelas dulu ya.
care to follow my
Sebelum gue
instructions
nerusin
precisely,
penjelasan
as
tadi
we will
gitu.
be working with volatile chemicals today.
Jadi kita fokus dulu ya. Tapi nanti gue bakal lanjut penjelasan yang soal dunia itu.
Very good. Carry on.
Si pelajaran ini
Fascinating,
kalau
isn't it?
buat kalian yang belum tahu, ini tuh punya apa ya? Punya fungsi di game yang
Great work, James.
menurut gue cukup
I'll
bagus
see you
gitu.
next class.
Jadi setiap lu dapet setiap lu ngelakuin apa namanya ini, ngelakuin kelas gitu, lu bakal dapet achievement gitu, award yang kecil tapi berguna banget. Contohnya ya si senjata ini
You
gitu,
seem to
si
be making yourself
petasan.
quite comfortable here, my boy.
I'm just trying to fit in.
By fighting? By making a
Tadi
nuisance of
sampai mana
yourself?
yang
That is not the
geng
Bulworth way, boy.
si
Yeah, you
geng
could've
kaya,
fooled me.
terus selanjutnya itu ada
What?
geng
I
motor,
said you could have
geng
fooled me. This
sepeda-sepedaan,
place is full
mereka
of
punya
bullies
markas
and
di
maniacs.
Nonsense. That's just
di
school
bengkel
spirit.
gitu.
Hijinks.
Terus yang
Why,
terakhir
in my day, we
ada
felt nothing of castrating the new boys.
jokes gitu, ada
I
para
want you to stop this
atletis
nonsense,
lah,
Hopkins. I
atletis
want
bisa
you to
dibilang.
behave yourself. You
Mereka
might
tuh yang
learn
paling kuat
something.
lah,
Fine.
setahu
Can
gue
I
di
go now, sir?
Bulworth Academy.
On your way.
Hey,
Nah,
I saw you sucking up
ini
the crap, snitch.
geng
What?
yang
Shut up. Screw you, new kid.
gengnya tuh
This is
nggak
what we
punya
do to
markas
teachers'
dan
pets
mereka tuh
around
nyebar
here.
banget di
Better
sekolah
next.
gitu.
Come here, you little
Nah,
come and get me.
si pembuli ini nih, kita suruh ngajak dia.
How'd you like a little slick shot, tough guy?
Gue sih sebenarnya masih kurang paham ya sama karakter. Ini karakter geng yang bully ini menurut gue yang paling apa ya? Karena gak jelas sih anjing dibandingin geng lain. Geng lain kan punya karakter
When I'm
banget ya.
done with you, your
Dari
jaw's
cara
gonna drop.
bertarungnya, dari karakter outfitnya gitu. Dan dari markas ini mereka punya sendiri. Nah, ini yang sekarang tempat ini markas si geng bengkel guys, geng sepeda-sepedaan. Ini anjing, gue mau ketemu si ini manusia kapal. Salah mencet anjing, sorry ya. Oke, jangan. Nah, fungsinya si petasan itu sebenarnya fungsinya banyak banget. Salah satunya yang menurut gue paling fungsional tuh buat fight. Nah, cuman di sini kenapa gue nggak pakai si petasan? Karena nanti si orang yang ngetapel kita tadi itu dia nggak, cara bertarung dia tuh di jarak jauh gini. Nah, gini nih. Jadi kita lempar aja dikit lagi. Nah, that's it, 2 hit guys, cuma pakai petasan. Kalau lu tadi ngelewatin si kelas chemistry ya, si kelas kimia, lu bakal kehilangan juga petasannya gitu. Nah, oke sih, kayaknya gitu aja dulu teman-teman dari game bully kali ini ya. Gue bakal lanjut nanti, mungkin gue nggak tahu gue bakal lanjut kapan, tapi gue pastiin gue bakal lanjut game ini. Selamat menikmati dan terima kasih sudah menonton, and goodbye.